Welcome children. 11th Accountancy Unit 4 Ledger. Today we are going to see illustration 5 page number 92. Today we are going to see illustration 5 page number 92. So this is a book of Tamil Anban. He started book selling business. Tamil Anban started book selling business on 1st January 2018. This is a book of Tamil Anban. He started a book selling business on January 2018, 1st January 2018. The following transaction took place in the business for the month of January. So all these transactions happen on January 2018. So they are required to, they asked to prepare a journal entry and prepare a ledger account. Pass journal entry and prepare a ledger account. So they asked both the journal and ledger. First they prepare to journal. Afterwards we are going to prepare a ledger account. What are the transactions? So first January 2018, 1st January 2018 started business with cash. Started business with cash 3 lakh. Tamil Anban started business with cash 3 lakh. So what is a journal entry? Business started with Tamil Anban with cash. What comes to a business? Cash comes to a business. Cash account debtor to capital. Tamil Anban's capital. Then open 2nd January, open a bank account by depositing. He opened a bank account by depositing 2 lakh rupees. If you open a bank account, who is a receiver? Bank is a receiver. What goes out to your business? Cash goes out to your business. Debit is a receiver, so bank account debtor to cash. Then goods. January 5, goods bought from Tamil Nadu Text Corporation for cash. Good bought from Tamil Nadu Textbook Corporation for cash. Tamil Anbu selling book selling business. He doing a book selling business. For that, he bought a goods from Tamil Nadu Text Corporation Limited for cash. Bought a goods in the sense purchase. Purchase account debtor to textbook. Tamil Nadu Textbook Corporation. Purchase account debtor to cash account. Okay, this is not a credit transaction. This is a cash transaction. Bought good from Tamil Nadu Textbook Corporation for cash. So this is a cash transaction. Purchase account debtor to cash. Then 15 January sold goods to trader for cash. They are selling a goods to trader for cash. This is also cash transaction. Sales, cash account debtor to sales. Then purchase goods from X & Co for 15,000 and the payment is made through net banking. Purchase goods from X & Co. Purchase account debtor. Okay. Purchase account purchase goods from X & Co for rupees 15,000 and payment is made through net banking. Purchase account debtor to bank, because we are not yet paid in cash, we are paid through the bank. So we are, who is a receiver? Debit is a receiver, credit is a giver. Who give a money to X & Co Limited? Banker only give a money to him, so that bank is credited. Then sold goods to Y & Co for rupees 30,000 and payment is received through NEFT. Payment is received through NEFT. NEFT means National Electronical Fund Transfer. National Electronical Fund Transfer. Sold goods to Y & Co for cash. So bank account debtor to sales. These are all the journal entries of Tamil Anban. So Tamil Anban, he started a book selling business on 1st January 2018. This is the following transaction of Tamil Anban. They are required to prepare the journal entry and ledger account. For that, first we are going to open a ledger journal entry. Journal, I already told you, you have to open a single side of your ledger note. Double side note. So single page if you are using for journal entry. For that, date, date in date column, write a particulars on particular column, then LF number, then debit and credit. Like this you have to open and enter all the transaction. Afterwards we are going to prepare the ledger account. First we are going to prepare the journal entry, then we are going to prepare ledger account. Now we will prepare the journal entries. First journal, started business with cash. Started business with cash 3 lakh. Started business with cash. If you start a business with cash, cash comes to a business, so that cash is debited. Tamilanban contributor capital, so he is a giver, credit is a giver, so that Tamilanban's capital is credited. Then next journal entry, open bank account by deposit 2 lakh. If you open a bank account, who is the receiver? Banker is the receiver. Debit is the receiver, so that the bank is debited. And what goes out from your business? Cash goes out of business, so that the cash is credited. Then purchase goods bought from Tamil Nadu Textbook Corporation for cash. This is a cash purchase. We bought a goods, so purchase account debtor to cash, being purchase goods for cash. Purchase expenses, we are paying a cash, so that what credit, what goes out, cash goes out, so that the credit cash is credited. Purchase is expenses, so that the purchase is debited. Then sold goods to M trader for cash. This is also cash transaction. Sold goods, if you are selling a goods, what comes to a business? Cash comes to a business. So sales is a income, so that sales is credited. Then purchase goods from X and Co, rupees 15,000, and payment is made through net banking. We purchase a good from X and Co, but we are paid through the net banking. Purchase account expenses, so that the purchase account is debited. We are paying through the net banking, so net banking is related to the bank, so that bank is credited. Then sold goods to Y and Co for 30,000, and payment is received through NEFT. That means National Electronical Fund Transfer. Okay, sold goods to Y and Co. We are selling a goods, so sold goods to Y and Co. If you are selling a goods and payment is received through the NEFT, we are not yet received the payment. The banker only received the payment. Who is the receiver? Banker, so that the bank is debited. Who is a giver? Y and Co is a giver, so that Y and Co is not Y and Co. This is a cash. This is not a credit transaction, but immediately they paid, but they paid through the NEFT, so you have to write here sales. Okay, bank account debtor to sales, because this is not a credit transaction, so it is like a bank transaction. We are selling goods to Y and Co, but we are paying we are receiving money from through electronical fund transfer, National Electronical Fund Transfer. So bank account debtor, so bank only receive the amount from Y and Co. Okay, this is sale. Sale is the income, so that sale is credited, bank is debited. Now what are the account we are going to open for ledger? First one is cash account, Tamilanban capital. Bank account, already we have opened a capital cash account, so that only we are going to open a bank account. Then purchase account we are going to open, already we open a cash account, so that here only one account, that is a purchase account. Here also already we open a cash account, so now we are going to open a sales account. Already we open a purchase, then still we are not yet open a bank. Bank also we are already open here. Okay, then sales account. So totally cash, capital, bank, purchase, sales. Okay, so these are all, these account only we are going to open a ledger. 4 ledger we are going to open. First ledger cash, second capital, third bank, fourth purchase, fifth sales account. So these are all the account only we are going to open in ledger. Okay, so one time one account only we are going to open. So if it is a cash, all the cash transaction, wherever the cash transaction is there, all the cash transaction we are going to enter in the cash account. Capital means wherever the capital account is there, we have to find out and we have to enter the cash and the capital in the capital account. And bank account also is like a cash account. So we have to look out where is the bank account. So wherever the bank transaction is there, then we have to choose and put in a bank account. Like purchase and sale, likewise we are going to prepare the ledger. For that, first I am going to open a ledger of cash account. For that, we are going to use a double side of our ledger note. So if you have this space, so leave this space and flip the next page. Don't use this page and you have to draw a double side of ledger format and you have to work out a problem here, then you won't get a mark. Okay, so if you have this pages, if you have this space, so leave it the space and you have to flip the next page. So flip the next page and write, this is a left hand side is a debit side, right hand side is a credit side. Left hand side you have to mention DR, then date column you have to write the date, and particular column you have to write the particular, and JF number, then amount. Normally outer column we are using in the ledger. If we have any adjustment, then we have to use the inner column. Likewise you have to write a date on credit side, and particulars you have to write the particulars on particular side, and JF number. Here also amount you have to mention. Then don't forget to write a CR here. First account we are going to open a cash account. Now I am going to open a cash account. For that I draw the format. This is a top middle, you have to write the double side, you have to write cash account. Okay, likewise you have to write and the top middle. So top middle only you have to write the account, and left hand side DR, don't forget to write a DR, date, particular, JF number, and amount and symbol also. Date, particular, JF number, amount, credit. Okay, now we are going to prepare the cash account. Okay, first for that I told you have to go through the journal entry of Tamilanban. So this is a cash transaction. So this is a cash transaction. So this one we are going to take cash account. Now we are going to open. What is the opposite entry? Opposite entry is capital. If the capital is credit in journal, we are going to debit in ledger. It should be debited in ledger account. So that first I am going to write Tamilanban to Tamilanban capital 3 lakh in debit side. Then this is also the cash transaction. Now we are going to prepare the cash. What is the opposite of cash is bank. Bank is debited in journal. If bank is debited in journal, in ledger we have to credit the bank account. Likewise purchase account data to cash. Now we are going to prepare the cash account. What is the opposite of cash? Purchase. Purchase is debited. Okay, if it is debit in journal, then it should be credit in ledger. Here also cash to sales. This also we are going to take cash account data to sales. So cash opposite is sales. Sales is credited in journal entry. Now in ledger we have to put a debit side. This one we are not take because here there is no cash transaction. This one is also not a cash transaction. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 entries we are going to take from the journal entry. First one is Tamilanban capital. Okay, so Tamilanban capital is credited in journal, then it should be debited in ledger account. So now we are going to enter Tamilanban capital. Tamilanban capital is credit in journal entry, so that we are debited in ledger account. Next, what is the next entry? Bank account data to cash. This is also cash transaction. So what is opposite to cash? Cash is bank account. Bank is debited in journal entry. then it should be credited in ledger account. So what is the date? 2/1/2018. 2/1/2018 by bank. Whenever you have to write in a credit side, you have to write with the by bank. How much? 2 lakh. Okay. Then another transaction, purchase account debtor to cash. This is also cash transaction, purchase account debtor to cash. So now we are going to open a cash account. What is a cash? Opposite of cash account is purchase. Purchase is debited in journal, then it should be credit in ledger account. What is the date? 5/1/2018. Purchase is debited in journal, so we are going to credit in ledger account. So 5/1/2018 by purchase. How much? 10,000 rupees. Okay, 10,000 rupees. Another account, cash account debtor to sales. This is also cash transaction. So what is opposite to cash? Sales. Sales is credited in journal entry. Now we are going to debit in ledger. 15/1/2018 to sales. So 15/1/2018 to sales. How much? The amount is 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. Now all the cash transaction we are enter in the cash account. Okay, Tamil Capital to sales, by bank, by purchase, these are all the cash transaction. All the cash transaction we have to enter in the cash account. Now we are going to balance the cash account to find out the balancing figure. Okay, if you see this cash account, all the incomes we have to enter in the debit side, all the expenses we have to enter in the credit side. Okay, so debit all the expenses, income debit in ledger, that is a contract. All the incomes we have to enter in the debit side, all the expenses we have to enter in the credit side. Okay, so in ledger opposite. Okay, all the incomes we have to enter in the debit side, all the expenses we have to enter in the credit side. Now we are going to add a debit side and credit side separately. So give a little space and draw up two parallel line on the same line. So I draw a two parallel line, like it's the same line. You have to draw a parallel line on credit side also. Okay, now highest value, if you add these two amount, you are getting a 3,05,000. If you add credit side separately, 2 lakh plus 10,000, 2 lakh 10,000. What is the highest value? Highest value is 3,05,000 rupees. That 3,05,000 rupees you have to enter in both the side. 3,05,000 rupees. 3,05,000 is the highest value. 3,05,000 minus 2,10,000, you are getting a 95,000. This is a balancing figure. 3,05,000 minus 2,10,000, getting a 95,000. This is a closing balance. That is the balancing figure. So what is a January month end date? 31st January 2018. This is a closing date of January. What is the closing date of January? 31st 1/2018. By balance C bar carried on. That means carried on. We carry forward this amount. How much? 95,000. How can we get this 95,000? You have to add a debit side and credit side separately. If you add credit side and the debit side, you get a highest value. Put a highest value on both the sides, and from the highest value you have to minus the lowest value. You are getting this different. This different is called the balancing figure. By balance C by D, carry forward. So every month end we have to close the balance. and find out the balancing figure. 1 month closing will become a next month opening balance. For that you have to transfer this amount in a opposite side, because 1 month closing will become a next month opening balance. So we have to brought forward this amount on a opposite side. Okay, so what is the next month beginning date? 1/2/2018. That means February 1 February 2018 to balance B bar D 95,000. Okay, so in cash, these are all the incomes we are receiving from the business. These are all the expenses we made in the business. Okay, income over the expenditure, we are getting a balancing figure, that is a earnings. Okay, so 95,000, the difference is 95,000. This is a closing balance. 1 year closing will become a next year opening balance. Next, what are the account we are going to open? Cash account we open, then capital account. So that after finishing this ledger entry, give a 1 line space and write a capital account in the middle. Capital account. So write a full format, don't use a short form. Capital A bar C, likewise you don't write full form, you have to write capital account, likewise you have to write. Okay, but if you open a format, first time if you open a date particular, if you put a date particular, LF date number amount, this is enough. Okay, don't write each and every time for opening a ledger account. Once if you open a top, that is okay. Okay, then if you finish this page, then you have to turn next page, then you have to write the particulars. Okay, now capital account. For that we are going to see the journal entry. So here cash account data to Tamil Nadu capital. Now we are going to capital account. So that we are going to take this journal entry. So if here there is no capital, here also there is no capital, and other entries also there is no capital. Only one capital they are given in the 1st January 2018. What is the journal entry? Cash account data to Tamil Nadu. Now we are going to open a Tamil Nadu capital account. Okay. So what is the opposite to Tamil Nadu capital? Cash. Cash is debited in journal. What should be credit? What should be doing in ledger? We are going to put this amount on a ledger on credit side. Okay, so cash is debited in journal entry, so it should be debited credited in ledger account. Cash is debited in journal, so that it should be credited in ledger account. So now we have opened a ledger. What is the date? Date is 1 January 2018. So buy cash. How much? 3 lakh. In cash column you have to write the 3 lakh. We don't have any other transaction. Now we are going to close the account. For that, give a little space and draw a parallel line on both the side, equal parallel line on both the side. Okay, and fill the highest value. So what is the balancing figure here? What is the closing date of January? 31st December 2018 to balance C bar D 3 lakh. Now we are find out the closing balance. 1 month closing will become a next month opening. What is the opening date of February? 1 February 2018. By balance B bar D, brought down. So carry down, brought down 3 lakh. Okay. Next, what are the account we are going to open? Bank account, purchase account, sales account. 2 more account, 3 more account is there. First, now we are going to open a bank account. Okay. So after finish a capital account, give a little space and write a bank account. Bank account. Now we are going to open a bank account. For that, we are going to look at journal entry. So this is not a bank transaction. This is a bank transaction. So what is the opposite of bank is cash. Cash is credited in journal, so that we are going to debit in ledger. This is not a cash transaction. This is not a bank transaction. This is a bank transaction, so that we are going to take this one. What is the opposite of bank is purchase. Purchase is debited in journal, so that we are going to credit in ledger. So this is also bank transaction. What is the opposite of bank is sales. Sales is credited in journal. We are going to debit in ledger. So 1, 2, 3. 3 account we are going to open. This one, and this one. Okay. Bank account debtor to cash. Now we are going to bank account. What is the opposite to bank is cash. Cash is debited in journal entry. So that we are going to debit in credit in journal entry. So that we are going to debit in ledger account. Date of journal entry is 2/1/2018. to bank account to bank account 2 lakh. 2 lakh. Okay. Another transaction, purchase account debtor to bank. So what is the opposite to purchase? Purchase is debited in journal. So that we are going to credit in ledger. Date is 22/1/2018. 22/1/2018 by purchase account 15,000. Bank account debtor to sales. This one also bank account. The bank opposite is sales. Sales is credited in journal. Date 22/25. 22/25/1/2018 to sales. Amount is 30,000. Now balancing figure. Now we are going to balance the bank account. For that, give a little space, draw a parallel line on both the side, 2 parallel line on both the side, draw a parallel, 2 parallel line on both the side. Then what is the highest value? Highest value is 2,30,000. Write a highest value on both the side, 2,30,000, 2,30,000. What is the lowest value? Is 15,000. 2,30,000 minus 15,000, 2,15,000. 2,15,000 is the closing balance. What is the closing date of January? 31st January 2018 by balance C bar D, 2,15,000. 1 month closing, next month opening. Closing balance is credit, then opening balance will become a debit side. So 1 February 2018 to balance B bar D, 2,15,000. Okay. Next account we are going to open a purchase account and sales account. First we are going to open a purchase account. I give a space here, then I start a purchase account. Purchase account. Then this is not a purchase. There is no purchase in this journal entry. Here also there is no purchase in journal entry. This one is a purchase journal. Now we are going to open a purchase account. So that we are choosing this one. Purchase account opposite is cash. Cash is credited in journal entry. So that we are going to debit in ledger account. Date 5/1/2018. 5/1/2018 to cash. How much? 10,000 rupees. This is not a purchase. This one is a purchase. Purchase account. We are going to open a purchase account. What is opposite to purchase? Opposite purchase is bank. Bank is credited in journal, so that we are going to debit in ledger. 2 times only we purchase the good. One is 5/1/2018 we purchase the goods for cash. Now we are going. Now we are prepare a purchase account. So opposite to purchase is cash account. Okay, cash is credited in journal entry, so that we are debit in ledger entry. Okay, and another entry 22/1/2018 also we purchase the goods paid through net banking. Okay, this is also a purchase transaction. We bought a goods. So two purchase account. So already we put one account in ledger, another account purchase is debited, opposite is bank account. Okay, bank is credited in journal entry, so that we are going to debit in ledger entry. Now we are going to balancing the total of purchase account. For that I just draw a true parallel line on both the side. So both the side I just draw a parallel line. After draw the parallel line, I have to write the highest value. So here only one value 25, 10,000 plus 15,000, 25,000. So each 25,000 I have to write on both the side. Then January 31st is the closing date of January 2018 by balance C bar B 25,000. Okay, so you carry forward this amount, you brought forward this amount in next month. What is the next month? Starting date 1/2/2018. That means February 1 2018 to balance B bar D 25,000. Only one more ledger account is balance, that is a sales account. Okay, now we are going to open a sales account. So I have a little space here, so that I just turn the next page. Okay, don't use this space. So if you have a little space, then you have to leave that little space and you have to flip the next page. Whenever you have to flip the next page, then you have to write the date on a date column. So DR, then date on date column, particulars, write the particulars on particular column. Then ref number, amount, in credit column also you have to write the date, particulars, ref number, amount, and credit. So these things you must be right. Now next ledger account is sales account. Okay, next ledger account is sales account. Now we are going to open a sales account. Okay, so here there is no sales, here also there is no sales, here also no sales. Cash account data to sales. So this is a sales transaction. So sales is credited in journal. What is opposite to sales? Cash. So cash is debited in journal entry, so that we are going to credit in ledger account. Then here there is no sales, here sales is there. 25/1/2018 also sales transaction happening. So what is a journal entry? Bank account data to sales. Why bank is debited? Because we receive a we are not receive a cash. Instead of that, we are receiving a cash through the NEFT. Okay, National Electronical Fund Transfer. Okay, through that we are receiving. So directly bank only receive the amount from the sales amount. So bank is debited. Bank is debited. Bank account because we receive a cash through National Electronical Fund Transfer. So that the bank is debited in journal. The bank is debited in journal, then we should be crediting ledger. Now two account, one is cash, another one is bank. What is the date of transaction? 15/1/2018, 25/1/2018. 15/1/2018. 15/1/2018 by cash. Cash is debit in journal, so that we are credited in ledger account. The amount is 5,000 rupees. Another journal entry, bank account data to sales. So bank is debited in journal, so that we are going to credit in ledger account. Date 25/1/2018 by bank account. By bank account, amount is 30,000. 30,000. Now we are going to balance the balance. We are going to find out the balancing figure. So that give a little space and draw a two parallel line on equal side. Okay, equal side you have to draw a two parallel line. What is the highest value? Highest value is 35,000. So you have to write this 35,000 on both the sides. So this is a balancing figure because there is no amount in debit side. So this is a balancing figure. Last date of January is 31/1/2018 to balance C bar D. What is the value? 35,000. Okay, this balancing figure we brought forward on next month. What is the next month beginning date? 1/2/2018 by balance B bar D, 35,000. Now we open all the ledger account based on the journal entry. Okay, what are the accounts we open? Cash account. So in cash transaction we have to easily identify how much we are received and how much we are spent. Okay, debit side all the receipt we are enter, credit side all the expenses we have to enter. Then capital account, capital also we can easily find out in cash how much we are receiving, in stock how much we receive, but in this sum Tamil only contribute a capital, so capital 3 lakh. Then bank account, we can easily find out receipt here. So these are all the income, these are all the expenses. Through the bank we have to make this expenses and we receive some income. Then this is a purchase account. Purchase is a expenses, so you have to spend 25,000 for purchase of goods. Likewise you are receiving income 35,000 through the sales. So these are all the things we have to learn through the journal. Small recap, this is a book of Tamilanban. He doing a book selling business. 1st January 2018 he started business with cash 3 lakh. Okay, following are the transaction, so they are required to prepare journal and prepare a ledger account. They asked to prepare journal entry and prepare a ledger account for the year end for the year 2018. So January 1 started business with cash 3 lakh, opened bank account depositing 2 lakh, goods bought from Tamil Nadu Textbook Corporation for 10,000 for cash 10,000, 15 sold goods to Trader for cash, 25 January 25 purchased goods from X & Co, 5,000 and payment is made through the net banking. Then 25 sold goods to Y & Co, 30,000 and payment received through NEFT. So journal entry, so you have to open a journal for single side. Date on date, in date column you have to write the date, particular column you have to write particular, then the little column you have to open a LF number, ledger folio number, then debit and credit. First journal entry, started business with cash. Started business with cash. Tamilanban started business with cash. What comes to your business? Cash comes to your business, so that cash is debited. Tamilanban capital, even a proprietor contributor capital we treated like is a creditor of the company, so that he is a giver, so that the Tamilanban capital is credited. Then bank account, open a bank account by depositing 2 lakh. Tamilanban open a bank account. Who is a receiver? Bank is a receiver, so that bank is debited. What goes out your business from your opening a bank account? Cash goes out your business, so that cash is credited 2 lakh. Then 5/1/2018, bought goods from Tamil Nadu Textbook Corporation for cash. Purchase goods, purchase account debtor to cash. This is a cash transaction. Purchase is the expenses. If you purchase anything, definitely you must be paid some amount. So this is a cash transaction. To cash goes out your business, so that cash is credited 10,000 rupees. Then sold goods to trader 5,000. So trader for cash only. This is also a cash transaction. We made a cash sales. So if you sell goods, what comes to your business? Cash comes to your business. Goods goes out your business, so that the sales is credited. Okay, sales is a income, so that the sales is credited. Then purchase goods from X&Co for 15,000 and payment is made through net banking. We purchase goods to X&Co. We paid through the net banking. Purchase account debtor to bank account, because we are not paid in cash. Instead of that, we are paid through the net banking, so that the bank is credited, because the banker purchase account is the expenses, debit all expenses and losses, so that the purchase is debited, and bank is credited because he is a giver. Debit is a receiver, credit is a giver. Bank only give amount to X&Co, so that the bank is credited. And sold goods to Y&Co 30,000 and payment is received through NEFT, National Electronical Fund Transfer. We sell the goods, we receive money through the net banking, electronical fund transfer, so that it is related to bank, so that debit is the receiver, so that the bank is debited to sales account, because sales is the income, so that only we are getting a bank amount. So bank is debited 30,000, sales is credited 30,000 rupees. Now we are going to open a ledger account. For that, first account we are going to open a cash account, then Tamil Nadu capital account. Then already we open a cash account, so don't open a cash account again. Then still we are not yet open a bank account, so that the bank account we are going to open. Then purchase account we are going to open, because already we open a cash account. Then sales account we are going to open, because already this also we opened. Purchase account already we opened. Bank account already we opened. Then sales account we are going to open. So totally we are going to open a 5 ledger account. Totally we are going to open a 5 ledger account. First one is cash account, so that all the cash transaction we have to enter based on the journal entry. Okay, based on the journal entry. So now we are going to open a cash account. So what is the opposite of cash is capital. Capital is credited in journal entry, so that we are debit in ledger account. And here also the cash transaction. So bank is debited, so that we are going to bank is credited. Then purchase account debtor to cash. Purchase is debited, so that we are crediting ledger account. And cash sales is credited, so that we are debiting ledger account. Likewise, you have to prepare cash account, capital account, bank account, purchase account and sales account. Okay, so after enter all the amounts in a cash account, we have to find out the balancing figure. For that, you have to add a debit side separately and credit side separately. If you add debit side and credit side separately, you are getting a highest value. So you have to draw a two parallel and an equal parallel line on both the sides. Okay, so in this parallel line, you have to fill the highest value. From the highest value, you have to minus the lowest value. You are getting the balancing figure. This balancing figure is so month end you are getting a balancing figure of 95,000. 1 year closing balance will become a next year opening balance. 1 month closing balance will become a next month opening balance. So you have brought forward this amount for next month. So likewise, you have to prepare a ledger account. If they ask to prepare a journal, then you have to prepare a journal, work out a exercise problem, and if you have any doubt, please ask me, children. Listen the video carefully. So starting to end, don't skip the video. Watch the video carefully. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, children. Thank you.